Boosting your Facebook business page involves increasing its visibility and engagement to attract more followers and potential customers. Here's how to do it effectively. Create high-quality content. Share engaging, relevant, and high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Post images, videos, blog links, and promotions. Ensure that content is tailored to your audience's needs. Use Facebook ads. Boost posts. Promote posts directly on your page to reach a larger audience beyond your followers. Click the Boost Post button. Set your target audience, budget, and duration. Create ads. Use Facebook Ads Manager for more control. Design ad campaigns with clear objectives and define a specific target audience. Optimize your page. Make sure your business page is fully optimized. This includes a professional profile picture, an attention-grabbing cover photo, and a compelling bio. Add your contact details, website, and business hours. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews. Show that you value customer interactions, which can increase organic reach. Leverage Facebook Insights. Use Facebook Insights to analyze what works and adjust your content or advertising strategy based on engagement metrics.